Hello, you're looking at water. It's green in color because I added some food dye. The water is not able to float the golf ball because its density is too low. So let's add some salt. Well, a lot of salt. Give it a good stir. Finally, the golf ball is floating, barely floating. Now, what if we add some vegetable oil to the water? We know that the oil is going to float on top of the salt solution because oil is less dense. So that's not the question. The question is the golf ball going to float higher or lower? Meaning, is the golf ball going to sink deeper into the salt solution? Or is it going to be pulled out of the salt solution? Are you ready for the answer? Let's go! I think the result is quite clear. The golf ball is now floating higher in the salt solution. Does it make sense to you? See you at the comment section. Ta-ta!